cross down the street and people could just walk right up to him and shake his hand.
Or see him at the theater.
Exactly, he was accessible.
All right, I know what I gotta do. I sneak into the Al Gore event. I make believe I'm Sasha's +1. I give Al Gore a note to call my daughter, and I hope he doesn't miss out.
This is a bad idea. Let me tell you an anecdote. That's why it's Super Tuesday on anecdotes. I went to the movie theater one time to go see Rush Hour 2, and I thought to myself, hey, why not?
Tiền thật của chị
You do
đã
another
thấy
movie.
gửi.
Long story short, they confiscated my popcorn, my malted milk balls, and kicked me out. Right? I had to walk home hungry, humiliated, and wondering who Bridget Jones chose. He's right, Gary. It's risky. Can't be done. I'm in. What? No, it's nice, but that'd be great if it was +2, Mitch, but it's not +2, +1.
Sao ngủ? Sao nó tin cả?
Guy with no experience, no training, is going to stumble into something he's totally unprepared for. You know what we call that in the Marines? The Army.
Thanks for taking me driving, Uncle Mitch.
See how safe this is? No blood, no guts, just an easy drive down to the post office so I can mail my stuff to the base.
I can't believe you borrowed a Humvee. I feel like a Kardashian.
Yeah, the motor pool sergeant over at Camp Pendleton let me borrow it for this case of Donnie Lane.
You know, this makes me feel